In this episode, we go to town and pick up our brand new outboard engine and name him Erling, after our hero, the famous sailor Erling Tambs. Hi, my name is Anna, and this is my husband Leif Erik. He came up with this idea to build a simple catamaran, put it in a container and send it from ice-cold Norway to Tahiti in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. This way we could start sailing in paradise. I said, what a crazy idea. Let's do it. This is the adventure of building and sailing BareBare. And the story starts when finally coming back after 3 years of the pandemic. First meeting from BareBare since the fall of 2019. The day we arrived BareBare, we realized very quickly that our outboard engine was stolen. It was not there. It was a Mercury, and we had named him Freddie Mercury. So we didn't have an outboard anymore. Good morning. Last year, our outboard, Freddie Mercury, was stolen. I had to go to the gendarmerie, talk to Mr. Hipster here, and report it stolen. And they, of course, they never found it. So this year we had to buy another one. So we have bought 15 horsepower, also a Mercury, but we're not going to call him Freddie. We're going to call him Erling, from Erling Tambs, our hero. And today we are going to pick up Erling in Fara, and we are super excited. Do I get the smile?
Yeah, this is good. This is
I'm gonna take
a box with my name on it.
huge box. Someone gonna help you to get it out?
I don't know. Finally.
After how many days? No, it's not too bad actually, because
it's not too bad.
we should have confirmed that it was coming on, but we were on the plane.
Yeah.
So they had to pick another day.
Yeah.
But there it is, Freddy number 2. So we're slowly getting there. The outboard on this dinghy stopped just like half a nautical mile from BareBare. I'm glad it was not in Fare or halfway. Eric had to be rowing for about 20 minutes. How to get myself, BareBare and Eric rowing in one go. Having fun with the new outboard. We call him Erling, after Erling Tambs, our hero, the one who sailed Teddy about 100 years ago. And it starts like this. Early the next morning, we set sail and headed out to sea. It was in the last days of August, and our hearts were as light as our wallet. The travel fund consisted of only 1 kroner and 60 öre, but the weather was beautiful. This is one of my favorite books, and I would so much like to have met this couple. So much in love and setting sail to explore the world together. We sailed in their wake from Tahiti to Moorea. Their beloved little ship, Teddy, was leaking badly and almost sunk. We anchored up in Cook's Bay, where Erling and Julia, 100 years ago, let locals babysit their little son, Tony. I published the book years ago and love to read it aloud, especially when out sailing. Erling, our new motor, is now mounted on the platform. And now we're gonna run him for 10 minutes on sort of like low speed. Wow. Then at some point we are going to slowly move a little bit around, probably in the bay. And then at some point I'm gonna turn all the way around, turn around, move out towards new horizons. This huge crane arrives to lift Våghals, a replica of a Renaissance boat from 1595. We had managed to get a deal with a crane company to pay for only 1 hour of lifting. They were coming anyway and would not even have to move the crane for another lift. We hope we are ready to be lifted. We have done all the preparements needed. We were supposed to meet up at 10 o'clock, but when we arrived, Våghals was already launched. The lifting is going good, but the crane needs to stretch out as far as possible because the water is very shallow and it's low tide as well. It looks fantastic. We are floating. Hva sier dere, folkens? Gikk det bra? Pass på rekka nå. Jeg må filme litt enda, vet du. Ja, den rekka som Jan og Sofie lagde i går, den skal ikke vrekes på første, liksom. Wow. Det ser bare utrolig fint ut. Ser det bra ut?
Jeg trodde ikke
Vi kjenner bevegelse.
Jeg trodde det var helt flatt.
Hva er det heter når vi har sånn skål heter det rett og slett.
Dørken er jo flatt.
Rett og slett skål.
Ja.
We have had a little baptizing here with visitors, some filmmakers and a few people from the museum. Jan tester hvor åregaflene skal være. Hvor er de årene fra, Jan? Det er noen lange, fine...
Dette er noen flotte årer. Jeg tror nesten det ser ut som havørnårer.
Åh, fantastisk. Jan bygde jo havørn for kanskje ca. 30 år siden.
Jeg tror jammen dette er havørnårer.
Åh, som nå er BareBare-årer.
Som nå er BareBare år.
Og så har du sånne tollepinner bak deg. Eller heter det det?
Det heter tollepinner. Dette er tollepinner.
Tollepinne nummer 1 og tollepinne nummer 2.
Dette er nummer 1.
Vi tar rett og slett 2 årer på hver side. Og ror.
Da blir det en færing.
Da blir det færing, ja.
Det eneste du skal gjøre er å holde takken.
Da ror vi bare. Wow! Vi trenger jo ikke noe seil her, gjør vi det?
Her trenger vi, jo vi trenger i hvert fall ikke motor.
Motor skal vi bruke for å stoppe oss i havn.
Styrer du litt ikke så nærme de skjæra der?
Nei.
Det er bra. Nå rammer ned
Til vannet. Fy faen, så kult. Ja.
Nå kan du begynne å drøye.
Her ror vi rett og slett bare til Bøye fra museet. Og Morten, det første turen!
Der, 2 knop.
Jeg fikk bli med på jokketuren.
Dere,
Det var rosangen da.
Sian. Stemmer alle sammen nå?
Hei
Sann, seil og flyter til, og bare
flyter og
ror som hun vil. Lifting BareBare out and to the sea took no more than 15 minutes, and for us to row her to the boyo took another half an hour. It went so smooth.
Har du med drivanker? Du kan si han er lettrodd, Leif Erik.
Det er veldig lettrodd. Og jeg blåser en påhenger.
Ja, det er for å stoppe da.
Ja, stoppe når du kommer i hav.
And soon Morten is going to dive down and check the mooring. BareBare is launched and tied to a buoy right outside Norwegian Maritime Museum. Thank you for watching this video. I put out new videos every second Friday, and Fridays in between I put out a short story of the building part. If you like what you see, subscribe and hit the buttons, and it's free. And if you want to support me, check out Patron, PayPal or Coffee. And patrons get the videos earlier, and they also get some extra material. And beside that, I have started making mugs for each episode. Check them out and please start collecting. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And you will find all links in the description below. Massive thanks to everyone who supports this project. It makes a huge difference.